This is part two of this ice camping trip. Hope you guys enjoy, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And here's the video. Morning update. I'm a little chilly. Turn on the grill to warm me up a bit. Really need to pee. Really don't think I'm gonna get up and go pee yet. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Jaw jacker didn't go off. See you in a minute or two. Well, like 2 seconds. I had a great sleep last night. Better than last night. Stupid jaw jacker won't go off though. Let's try and catch a morning walleye, shall we? Come and eat. Got him. Well, now I caught my first fish of the day, I can have my morning ice cream. Look at that. Just crushed that rattlebait, hey? Hungry for it. Took a little convincing, but we got there. Now I can eat some ice cream and enjoy my day. 22 and a half. What a great way to start my morning. Apparently, my flasher is has 0% battery. Oh, I got a fish. Are you going up for the jaw jacker? So I'm gonna be fishing blind for the rest of the day. It's not ideal, but I have no other choice. I've been out here for 2 days. I've been trying to conserve this battery. I think I'm about to catch another fish. That's a nice big mark too. Yeah, I can. Bite's good. Come on, get your head up that hole. Oh, you're a fatty. You're a fatty. You're a fatty. You're a fatty. That actually might be the biggest fish of the trip. Look. Crush the tantrum. 27 inch walleye to get me started off in the morning. God damn. Thank you for letting me catch you, brother. I should probably get a release video of this guy. Look at this fat walleye. I just sat on my hook. Come on. Come and eat. You're coming so far up off bottom for this dude. Got him! Oh, it's another walleye. Good morning. Killing it this morning. Crushing that rattle wrap. Absolutely not touching that dead stick though. Calm down. That guy was like 10 feet off the bottom going after that thing. There's a fish down there again. Can we catch enough? That ice cream really gave me the energy to catch that fish. Fresh tub. We're gonna need it. Come on. Don't be shy. No, no. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on. Come and eat it. There we go. Walter, Walter, listen to me. You're gonna come up here, okay? And you're just gonna hammer this rattle bait. And I'm gonna catch you, and I'm going to release you. I'm gonna take a picture so I can brag to my friends and on Instagram. Then you're gonna go live the rest of your life happy as a fish, doing fish stuff. And you're gonna hammer this in a few seconds. That's a big mark. That's a very big mark. Okay, I believe in you. Oh, come on. Walter, don't play games like this with me. Please, just let me catch you. Do it for me, Walter. Yeah? You're gonna come eat it, Walter? You're gonna come eat? Walter. Walter, you're stressing me out here. Come on. Come on. Got him. Thank you, Walter. I don't think this is a Walter. I think this is a pike. Or he just likes to shake his head and say, no, I don't want this. I don't want this. It's okay, Walter. I want this. It has to be like this, Walter. 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 Just relax. Let me bring you up the hole. Oh, you're not Walter. I guess you're Walter now. Your name is Walter now. I guess that was Walter. What's up, Walter? You're a fatty. Like, no offense, but you're a fatty. 31 inch pike. Back to the depths where you kind of belong. Goodbye, Walter. I'm not gonna let you splash. Walter was just playing games with me, making me think he was a walleye. I've got to get down. I should check my line. Always retie if you can, even if it means missing a mark. Which I 100% missed a mark. I ran out of storage on the main camera, so you're gonna have to do this for now. The flasher's still at 0%. Let's go play a game. Just leave the rods in the water for now. Now let's see if the old truck wants to start. It didn't want to start yesterday, but today's a new day. And I boosted it yesterday as well. So here goes something. A little beauty start. Let's see. No. I'll have to get Buddy to rescue me. He's showing up here today, so hopefully, damn -30 weather. So I'm stuck here till he shows up. Got him! Finally. That was a lot of toying around with, but I finally got him to commit. Whatever it is, It's a nice fish. It's the nicest fish of the trip. Maybe I lied. Yeah, that's the nicest fish of the trip. Fattest fish. Fattest pike of the trip. We'll say that. Nice fat mama pike. Definitely the fattest pike of the trip. Like, look at that thing. An absolute fatty. But she only measured at 32 inches. It's not much bigger than the other ones, so. Swim home, baby girl. Nice. We are back in business. I got a flasher cam now. Watch the flasher just die instantly. Fishing for an hour. No, 2 hours. On 0% battery. And somehow it hasn't died. Oh, look at that. They're being so finicky. They just don't want to eat. They just come up like that and they're like, hey, nice presentation, bro. But I'm not hungry. Got him. Maybe I lied. See, I wish here in Alberta we could keep these guys, because I'd love to eat this guy. Something he's too small. I think he's just right. Maybe I'll measure him. You know what? That is a perfect keeper. He's a keeper. I'm gonna make fish tacos with him in the next video. Hey dude, no way. Yes. Hey, hey, you're a nice guy. Crushed it. Yeah, I'm having a good day. Thanks for asking. Catching fat walleye. Hey Paul, you're not Paul. I'm naming everyone Paul, and then I tried naming one of you Walter and turned out to be a pike. I guess you're Wally. Let's measure you. That's what you call a finesse release there, folks. Well, let's get back at her. Let's have a quick moment of silence for my flasher. It has finally died. I loved you, old friend. And I think my trip's coming to an end. Follow me on Instagram. You could have seen this way before it was posted. And see a bunch of fish that I caught. Even if I don't post a video, I still post pictures of fish. So, yeah, my Instagram is Zachthefisherman. Give me a follow. Don't be afraid to hit me up. You know, sitting in this tent by myself alone for a couple of days kind of sucks. It's nice talking to people. I appreciate talking to you. Thank you. Follow me. And subscribe. Thank you. Maybe hit that like button too. Thank you. Where's this energy coming from when I was here the first day? I don't know. Okay. I'll see you. No. I just had Buddy come and boost my truck for me. Thank you, Spencer. I'm going to slowly start packing up here and start heading home. I've been on here for 3 days. I think it's time. I think it's definitely time to go. See you when I'm in the truck nice and warm. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this this ice camping. Leave a like down below if you want to see more of this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.